If you don't like yawning but still do it when others do, then you must know the secret. Contagious yawning is a real thing, and science has some cool reasons why. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons light up. They make you mimic what you see, like a copycat, but there's more to it. Yawning is also about empathy. The closer you are to someone, the more likely you'll catch their yawn. It's like your brain saying, "Hey, I feel you." And did you know this happens in animals too? Yup, even dogs catch yawns from their humans. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's your brain being super cool and caring. Yawning, it's not just sleepy business, it's science at work.